I'm pretty buzzed. The Super Bowl's on, so we're gonna make some food. Check this out. This is what we're working with. A baguette, a fourth of a cup of butter, 2 garlic cloves, some fresh parsley, and some hot dogs. I don't like that processed shit. So I get the Hebrew, alright? Because there's no artificial flavorings, there's no fucking byproducts, no nothing like that. It's kosher. I recommend it. Alright, butter in there. While that's going, I'm gonna chop the parsley. Ready, set, go. Alright, there you go. You got your chopped parsley. I'm gonna take the chopped parsley and we're gonna just put it up in there. Just like that. Next, we're gonna take our garlic. Ready, set, go. Oh, I just peeled them. We gotta cut them. Ready, set, go. Alright, there you go. You got your garlic, right? Garlic's gonna go right in the butter. Now I gotta tell you, okay? Don't be an asshole and turn your butter up all the way. You're gonna burn it. The whole point of this is to infuse all these flavors into the butter. So it's gotta be on a low heat. I mean, there's nothing worse than a dickhead that burns butter. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you mix it up. If you'd like to have the recipe, I'll put in the description below. It calls for 1 clove of garlic, but I really like garlic, so I threw 2 in there. And the parsley, fuck, I don't know, man. I just eyeballed it, so there you go. I'm gonna let this sit while I prep the other stuff. Alright, next, get your baguette, get your fucking wiener, right? Put your wiener on the bread, okay, and measure it. So it's gonna be 1. You can fit 2 wieners. This is gonna be a 3 wiener baguette. You can stick 3 wieners in here. So 3 of you guys can stick your wieners in here, okay? The wieners. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to cut just the very tip, right? Just going to circumcise it just a little bit. Alright, now it's a Jewish baguette. Then we're going to take this, and we're going to fucking shove it in there to make enough room to stick our wiener in. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. Just going to stick it in there, right? I wonder if we can stick 2. We can do 2 wieners in 1 bun. We're going to stick 2 wieners in 1 bun. Holy shit. Okay, so after you make your hole, you're going to shove your wiener in the bread. It's hard doing this with 1 hand, right? It's not like I've never shoved my wiener somewhere with just 1 hand. There you go, right? Got a baguette, double barrel hot dog. Okay, we're gonna do up 2 more of these. Alright, so I was only able to get 1 double barrel, the other ones weren't big enough, so we just stuffed them with a single, right? Got these just like that. And then you know what comes next? Just gonna cover these bad boys in butter. Alright, don't be shy. Don't be a dickhead and fucking go skimp on the butter. Alright? Everybody wants garlic butter. Don't be that fucking guy. We're buzzed, we're hungry, and we want fucking garlic butter. You know what I'm saying? Super Bowl's on. Don't fuck with me. Just give me something. Alright, we're just gonna drown this shit. Nothing special. We're just gonna put it on a pizza tray. Right? I'm gonna butter both sides and I'm gonna stick it on the pizza tray. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the oven. It's gonna go in there for 18 to 20 minutes. Don't ask me how fucking temperature. I didn't look, man. I'm just doing 350. The recipe's in the description if you wanna know that shit. But we're gonna check it in about 20 minutes. We'll see what it does. Ooh, that's really crispy. Let's chop it up. Ready, set. There you go. Chopped up. Get some mustard, dip that in there. You're good to go, baby. Look at those. Booyah. Hot dog, garlic bread, baguettes. Take a little kosher salt, right? Throw that all on there. That. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.